Hi, I'm Max Mishakov. Today's topic is how to not run out of breath when singing, how to have more stamina with less effort. So, we need two things. The first one is the ability to sing the entire song with the lip roll without falling apart, like this. Without this. So we sing like without this. So we have to develop this ability step by step, every day, little by little. And the second thing is exhales. Exhales after phrases, not during the phrase, like but after. Okay? Exhaling after phrases gives us stamina because we get rid of this old toxic oxygen, which is the burden for us. Okay? So, we sing like this. Exhale after each phrase. Let's listen how Chester Bennington does this, for example. And you may pay attention to your favorite artists. Many of them do this if it is necessary. Let's listen.
In this farewell, there's no blood, there's no alibi, 'cause I've drawn regret from the truth of in this farewell, there's no blood, there's no alibi.
Exhale after each phrase. It's simple, but if you do it, you will feel that you have more energy and more stamina. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.